In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry story on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting by going to Facebook, and once the page loads, I'm on the main home screen where I can access my profile and account options. From here, I'm going to navigate into my profile so I can reach the settings that control how media is displayed. Now I'm going to click on profile, so I'll select my profile icon or name, and that will take me to my profile page where I can manage different account related options. Once I'm on my profile, I'm going to click on settings and privacy, so I'll open that menu and it will expand to show additional options related to account settings. From there, I'm going to go into preferences, so I'll click on that, and this section contains various settings that affect how content behaves and appears. At this point, I'm going to click on media, so I'll select that option and it will bring me to settings that control how photos and videos are handled on Facebook. Now I'm looking for the video quality settings, so I'm going to click on video default quality. Once I open that, I'll be able to choose how videos are displayed by default across the platform. Now I'm going to select HD if it's available, so I'll click on the HD option to make sure that videos, including stories, are shown in higher quality instead of being compressed or blurry. After selecting HD, I'm going to click save, so I'll confirm the change and this will apply the updated video quality setting to my account. And that's it, the setting has been updated and your Facebook stories and videos should now appear clearer instead of blurry. So yeah, that's how you fix blurry story on Facebook. You go to Facebook, open your profile, go into settings and privacy, head to preferences, click on media, open video default quality, select HD if available, and then click save to apply the change.